What's up, guys? Have you been hearing about NFTs and wondering if they're still worth it in 2025? You know, those digital art pieces, virtual land, and in-game items that everyone was talking about a few years ago. Well, today we're diving into whether NFTs are still a good investment or just a passing trend. Spoiler alert, it's complicated. In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know. First, how NFTs work. 2, the types of NFTs you can invest in. 3, where the market's at right now. 4, the key risks and benefits. By the end, you'll know exactly what to watch out for before diving into the NFT space. Let's get started. 1. What are NFTs, and how do they work? Okay, so first things first. What exactly is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token, basically. A unique digital asset that's recorded on the blockchain. Think of it like a digital deed that proves you own something, whether it's a piece of art, a rare in-game item, or even virtual real estate. Here's the deal. If something's fungible, like a dollar bill or a Bitcoin, you can trade it, and it's always the same value. But an NFT is non-fungible, meaning it's one of a kind. Even if someone copies the digital file, they don't own the NFT itself. The blockchain is like the ultimate proof that you own it. So when you mint an NFT, it gets its own unique identifier. It's all about ownership and authenticity. You'll store that token in your crypto wallet, and the blockchain makes sure everyone knows it's yours. 2. Types of NFTs you can invest in. NFTs aren't just about digital art. There's a ton of stuff out there. Here's a rundown of what's popular in 2025. 1. Digital art. If you're into art, NFTs are huge. You can own a piece of digital art, and some have sold for millions. Big platforms like OpenSea, Super Rare, and Foundation still host a ton of art. Artists even get royalties when their work is resold. 2. Collectibles. Think profile pictures, trading cards, and sports memorabilia. Remember Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunks? These collectibles are worth big money, especially if you're part of the community. 3. Gaming. Virtual goods. NFTs in games let you actually own the items. You buy skins, weapons, or even virtual land. No more worrying that the game could ban you and take all your stuff. Plus, NFTs could be used across different games if supported. 4. Music. Media. Musicians are releasing albums as NFTs, sometimes with perks like behind-the-scenes access or royalties. You could even own the first NFT of a viral meme or a music track. 5. Virtual real estate. Metaverse. Virtual land and wearables are big in the metaverse. You can buy land, build on it, and even sell it. Some virtual properties have sold for huge amounts. 6. Utility NFTs. Not all NFTs are just art. Some are tickets to events, membership passes, or even identity verification tools. Brands like Starbucks are using NFTs for loyalty programs and rewards. NFT market trends in 2025. So, what's the NFT market actually like in 2025? Here's the scoop. Less hype, more stability. After the massive boom in 2021, the market has settled. Trading volumes are down, but things are way more stable. People aren't just buying random NFTs to flip for a quick profit anymore. Blue-chip NFTs hold value. Iconic collections like CryptoPunks and Bored Ape still have value, but prices are down from their peak. They're more like collector's items now. Utility is key. The projects that focus on real-world use, like gaming items, memberships, or event tickets, are seeing more success. People want to know what their NFT actually does. Gaming. Virtual goods are dominating. NFTs in gaming are super popular, with many transactions happening in that space. Players are into owning their in-game items and trading them for real value. Marketplace competition. OpenSea is no longer the only game in town. New platforms like Blur and Magic Eden are coming up with new ways to trade NFTs, which is bringing down fees and shaking up the market. Is it worth investing in NFTs in 2025? Now, the million-dollar question. Are NFTs still worth investing in? Let's break it down. Potential benefits are proof of ownership, authenticity. NFTs are a secure way to prove you own something digital. The blockchain is your permanent certificate of authenticity. Support creators directly. Many NFTs give creators a cut every time they're resold. So, by buying them, you're supporting artists in a way that wasn't possible before. Global market access. NFTs are sold on platforms 24/7, so you can buy or sell anytime. Plus, fractional NFTs are making it possible to own pieces of high-value assets with a small investment. Utility, perks. NFTs are not just for collecting anymore. They can give you access to exclusive events, special content, or even in-game benefits. Community, social value. Owning certain NFTs gives you access to private communities, events, and networks. It's like being part of a VIP club. Key risks. Volatility. NFTs can be wildly unpredictable. Prices can drop just as fast as they rise, and many projects lost most of their value after the 2021 boom. Scams. Fraud. The NFT space is full of bad actors. Scams like rug pulls, phishing, and fake listings are still happening. Security. If you don't secure your wallet, you could lose everything. Protect your seed phrase, use hardware wallets, and be careful with where you store your NFTs. Illiquidity. Not all NFTs are easy to sell. If the market drops or demand for your NFT disappears, you could be stuck holding it. Regulatory uncertainty. Laws are still catching up with NFTs. Changes in regulations could affect their value or even make certain NFTs illegal to trade. Legal. Regulatory considerations. Let's talk legal stuff. In the US, NFTs are under the microscope. Securities law. If an NFT is marketed as an investment, it might be considered a security by the SEC. So, watch out for projects promising big profits. Fraud. Consumer protection. The government is cracking down on scams. If a project is shady, they could face serious consequences. Intellectual property. IP. You don't own the copyright just because you own an NFT. Make sure you understand what rights come with your NFT purchase. Taxes. NFTs are taxed as collectibles, which means you could be paying higher capital gains taxes when you sell. Global differences. Laws vary by country, so make sure to check the rules in your area before diving in. In conclusion, should you invest in NFTs? So, should you still invest in NFTs in 2025? Yes, but with caution. The market has matured, and NFTs are finding their place as valuable digital assets with real-world utility. Here's the takeaway for beginners. Do your research. Always look into the creator, the project, and its community before buying. Start small, diversify. Don't put all your money into one NFT. Spread out your investments to reduce risk. Prioritize security. Use secure wallets and be careful of scams. Keep records for taxes. The IRS is keeping an eye on NFTs, so make sure you're tracking your buys and sales for tax season. Enjoy the ride. NFTs are about more than just profits. Join communities, connect with creators, and have fun with it. NFTs are no longer just about speculation. They're becoming part of the digital economy, from gaming to art to real-world applications. If you approach them with the right mindset, they can be an exciting and valuable addition to your portfolio. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content on NFTs and investing. Catch you in the next one.